Hello mga kachika! Kahapon nga July 9, 2025 ay nagsama-sama nga ang mga artista, mga empleyado at big boss ng ABS-CBN Kapamilya para nga sa kanilang huling pagpapaalam sa iconic tower ng ABS-CBN. ABS-CBN is saying goodbye to its iconic tower in Quezon City because the company sold a significant portion of its property, including the broadcasting center and production facilities, to Ayala Land Inc. This sale is part of a larger effort to raise funds to pay off debts and settle obligations to laid-off employees. Ang lahat nga ay talaga namang nalulungkot sa kinahinatnan nga ng ABS-CBN at nagkaroon nga sila ng hashtag Kapamilya Forever. According nga kay Ms. Shasha Padilla, today we formally bid farewell to our beloved tower. It was an emotional moment, especially when ELJ3 delivered his speech, reflecting on the many challenges ABS-CBN has weathered through the years. And yet, despite everything, many of us are still here, still standing, still holding the line. We're not just saying goodbye to a structure. We're honoring a symbol of everything we've fought for, built and believed in. It represents countless dreams turned into reality, lives changed forever, and the legacy that continues to live on. Hashtag Kapamilya Forever. Ito nga ay talaga namang star-studded at lahat nga ng big star ng ABS-CBN ay present sa event na ito, na talaga namang very emotional nga ang lahat dahil nga sa kanilang pagpapaalam sa kanilang iconic tower. Naroon nga ang mga big boss ng ABS-CBN katulad na nga lang ni Mr. Gabby Lopez III, Mark Lopez, Carlo Katigbak, Ischaro Santos Concho, Cory Bidanes at marami pang iba. Naroon din nga sila Karen Da, magpartner na Coco Martin at Julia Montes, Joshua Garcia, Darren Espanto, Don Bell na sila Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano, Robbie Domingo, mag-asawang Luis Manzano at Jessie Mendiola, maging ang cast nga ng Incognito na sila Kyla Estrada, Anthony Jennings at Baron Geisler. Spotted din nga sila Ms. Shasha Padilla, Regine Velasquez, Bina Morales, Chang Ami Perez, Ms. Maricel Soriano, Agot Isidro, Cherry Pai Pecache, Jake Cuenca, Arjo Ataide, maging sila Janela Salvador, Jane Onyesa, Chi Pelomino, Maymay Entrata, Eric Santos, Jake Ejercito, Bernadette Zambrano, Gretchen Ho at talaga namang napakarami pang iba. Ito nga ay very emotional moment at talaga namang nakakaiyak ring panoorin na magpapaalam na nga sila sa kanilang iconic tower. Halika at panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga video clips ganap na kanilang ibinahagi sa kanilang mga social media accounts.
These reminders of our past, our memories are not going to disappear when they go. When we need to remember, when we want to remember the happiness, the achievement, the relationships that we built in this place, we're going to find them in our stories. Stories that we tell each other about those times in ABS-CBN. The whole ABS-CBN. The one we will always treasure in our hearts and minds. We are going to tell and retell these stories because we hold them dear. And they are filled with everything that we've given to this place. You are the third generation. And you will write your own story. Kamayan mo nun lahat sa'yo. Sorry, ako sa mga. So I want to say to everyone, we are not dead yet. Kagaya ng lalaki yung may asawa. Pinagin sa babae. Pinasabi niya, wait, tama na yan. You're married. I'm married, but I'm not dead. But we are a family of employees. You are the third. Isang padyak para sa isang padyak. Okay, everybody, go! Yes, now and forever.
Anong masasabi nyo mga kachika? Just comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!